So you've got your second driving test coming up. Unfortunately, the first one didn't go to plan. Something happened. I'm sure you know what it is. We won't go into too many details. But what we've got to start saying to ourselves is we've got to be focused now about the second one. It's not going to be a walk in the park. If anything, you might feel the pressure more than the first one because now you've got expectations of what happened on the first test and so on. It could have been nerves that affected it. It could have been just sheer bad preparation that everything went wrong on that day. You know, you just got up late and for whatever reason it just didn't go right. So learn from that experience. If you're having lessons with your mum, your dad or your instructor, keep them lessons going. Don't start getting intermittent lessons because all of a sudden you're going to become a bit rusty at things. So keep your practice going. Keep focused about I've got my test coming up. I've got to stay focused. I've got to keep positive about things. If things start to go wrong before the driving test with your driving lessons, you start making silly mistakes. Turn them mistakes into positive things. Say, right, okay, we can learn from that. We'll practice that for a few minutes and see if we can get that better. Think positive, don't think negative. When you're taking your driving test, just say to yourself, I've been through this once before. I know what's going to happen. I might not get the same route. Chances are it's going to be very slim to get the same route. I might get the same examiner if I'm lucky. Yeah, that examiner was quite nice. Or I don't want that examiner because it wasn't very nice to me. So just stay focused. And when you go in there, you say, right, I know what I'm going to do. When that test starts, I'm in that zone. I'm expecting a manoeuvre or I'm expecting to be on that road, staying focused because the first 5 minutes is quite critical. You know, because if you're not staying focused, you're going to make a silly mistake. And the last 10 minutes is also very important because if you're not paying attention to what's happening towards the end of the test, you're going to switch off. Okay? Good luck with the driving test. And remember, no matter how you're feeling now, stay focused. Turn that into positive stuff. Okay? Good luck, and I hope it succeeds this time.